Hello students, in this video we will discuss how to implement the payroll or how to enable payroll feature in Tally ERP 9. We have 5 different steps to perform the payroll to record the payroll in Tally ERP 9. So what is payroll? Payroll is an aggregation of total amount of wages paid by the company to its employees. It is one of the most significant expenses for businesses. Processing payroll slips is a very time-consuming task, and it can be prepared weekly, semi-monthly or monthly. Payroll service provider manages multiple tasks such as tax obligations, employees' time calculation, preparing checks, and salary report management. It eventually reduces the operating cost of the business. So, let's come to different steps. The master data we need to create. The first step, that is create employee masters. Here we need to create 2 different master records, employee groups and employee masters. Then the second step we need to create is payroll masters. In the payroll masters, we have the payroll units and we need to create attendance production types. Then the third step, that is pay heads. We need to create different pay heads like earnings, deductions, employee statutory deductions and employees' statutory contributions. Fourth step, that is create salary details. Here we need to create group pay structure or individual pay structure. And the last step is process payroll. They have the attendance process system, payroll process system and payroll reports. First, in creating employee master, the first category is employee category. It is used to track the salaries working in specific projects or locations, such as head office and regional office. Then we have employee groups. It has departments like marketing, research and development, sales, productions, accounts. And then in the third step, we need to create employee. Here, enter employee information. So, how to create employee master? Go to Gateway of Tally. Then go to Masters Group. Select Payroll Information. Choose Employee Categories. We can create single category or multiple categories. It depends on you. Here we are creating single category. Create. We are here required to enter the requisite employee details and employee group. In name, we have Dubai office. If you want to allocate revenue items, choose yes. Allocate non-revenue items, no. Accept yes. Similarly, we have Abu Dhabi office. Again put yes for revenue items. And no, I don't want to allocate non-revenue items. Accept yes. So this was the first step, that is to create employee master data and then quit. Our second step is how to create employee groups. Go to Masters. We have payroll information. The second option is employee groups. Then create. For example, Dubai office is our head office and we have accounts department there. Under primary, enter these salary details not applicable right now. Accept yes. Similarly, in our Dubai office, we have HR department also, and that is also primary. We will enter the salary details later and save it by accepting yes. Now in Abu Dhabi office, we have the marketing team. So marketing department, and that is primary. Salary details no, and save it. So this is how we create employee groups in Tally ERP 9. So in the first step, we created employee categories. These are here locations, regional offices, branches. And in the second step, we have employee groups. So the employee group contains the departments. The third step is that we need to create in individual employee information. In Dubai office, under the accounts department, employees, we need to create single employee. So category here is Dubai office. Name, say Ali. Display name in reports as employee's name, that is Ali. It is under the accounts department. It is date of joining when Ali joined the company. Right now, salary details is not applicable. Here, you can add general information of employee like employee number, designation, location, gender, date of birth, the blood group also. You can also enter father's name or mother's name, spouse name, address. You can mention the phone number, email ID. You can enter the employee's bank details. For now, it's no. Statutory details. You can enter the labor card number, Emirates ID number, then press enter. Then come to passport and visa details number. That is passport number, country of issue, etc. Lastly, contract details. That is work permit number, contract start date, contract expiry date. So this is how you will create employees in Tally ERP 9 and save it.